there guys, how you all doing? It's Orchid Lover again here in Australia. Welcome back to my channel. And there you go. This is a beautiful opening Phalaenopsis here. It's another one of our collection that's really special to me, gifted to my very loving husband for my special occasion. And this, look at this guys. I got still really nice, beautiful, big bud that is not open. She will be the second one. Third one here, it will be this and this. So I got 4 remaining buds that didn't open yet. And look at this detail guys. Wow, very spectacular, gorgeous Phalaenopsis orchid. And also she is also noid, meaning we get it from the nursery shop, orchid nursery shop, and she doesn't have a typical name for Phalaenopsis. So there you go again. If you guys want to suggest the name for her, feel free, and we will see. We will reconsider which one we're gonna pick. Make sure the really beautiful name that really suited for her. We really appreciate that guys, if you giving her a name, because I don't really usually name my orchids. Why not? Because this is really belong or part of the family, so why not? Everybody suggesting giving the very good name if they don't have a name, or noid meaning no ID, so they don't have really name at all, although the name is Phalaenopsis, but they don't have name or what kind of breed they are. There you go guys. So we're really looking forward to you guys for the any beautiful name that we pick up this. We'll see. Thank you guys, and there you go. Really excited to show this to you again, because she is really opening. Look at this, some few days only, and she got nice yellow, just kind of yellow there, and each corner too. Beautiful, and most of them is pinkish or purple, kind of like that dotted purple. And wow, that's really nice. And look at this, it's like kind of whiskers. So cute. Look at that, almost really halfway in my palm. Oh my goodness, these orchids. Really falling in love with this. First time you saw this, one glance, when you had a feeling like that, you see the things, like especially the plants that you like this one for instance. You see this in the nursery shop or any kind in grocery shop, and you see this, you really don't want to pass it without bringing it home. So of course we bring her home. She's very special, and we're really happy for this. There you go. Good thing she's very healthy, and I'm happy for that. And look at the roots here, some that I cut here, some few dead roots, but she's very nice and healthy. That's a really I've noticed. We really noticed that whenever we buy orchids from the really direct to the nursery people, they really look extra care for them, and really nice to get healthy and really look after it. But I noticed when you really bought it in the grocery shop, they stay for you for a bit, but then later on they'll really quite sick. But not all the time, as I can see. Some of the orchids that I buy in the shop, they're still pretty good, but the rest, it's just stay with you for a while, and then they have a quite trouble as well. I don't know what's happening with this, but this orchid got only 3 leaves. The other one got really 5 leaves, supposed to be really 5 leaves, but we'll see. But she's very healthy and hardy, as you can see here. Not fluffiness or anything, it's just hardy, very tough orchids. Look how small this pot is. I'm not gonna, she's not the time of giving the new home yet, so I just leave it there. Often I bring it at home and I spray this, give them a little bit of drink, not very much, otherwise I'll drown the roots, so I don't want to get rotten roots more. She looked pretty healthy, and they still put this nice good aeration, and really all this air roots here outside, they're really looking for the airflow, so get more nice circulation from the air outside. So this one is helping a lot. What's the roots out inside the pots. So There you go, guys. So I thought she only got one spike, but very, very healthy, and I'm happy for that. And what else I'm gonna show this to you? I'm just gonna give her another home. That's what they said. Some of them you do really emergency repotting, but this is not emergency repotting, so I just let them be. She got very beautiful buds right here right now, and I just leave it for a while, because often really in the basic thing, care for the Phalaenopsis. If they have really flower like this, don't touch them unless something wrong that you can smell bad or anything what happened inside. But if they really look nice and nothing smelly on this, if they're alright, just let them be grow until this really fully matured for you. This flower is always stay longer to you. Even if you're very lucky, they can stay a bit longer, 5 or 6 months, and then you are very, very lucky if they stay longer than that. And I can see as well there is another very nice looking here growing. Focus now. There you go. This is very nice, good looking here, and you must be really opening it up soon. We'll see. And the people that really look after this, really good friend of us, and they said they always giving us really good thoughts and educate us, sharing a lot of knowledge as much as they can. Really good information. They said if you can collect a lot of water, if you got tank at home, just fill them with the rainwater, and they really love us. I just only spray this once a week as well, so I'm not really wetting them, otherwise you got a good bad blast too, especially in the winter. But in the summer, feel free to give them once a day at least. Give them one spray from the rainwater, and they really love it. But you know, we just like imitating the orchid in the wild. There is nobody to give them special water, so they just try themselves by doing that. There is a rain, or sometimes you get like a little bit of spray from the air, from the rain. So that's really how they do it. And also they grow it by the moist. Again, this one is in direct sunshine. Again, in the growing season, don't give them direct sunshine, otherwise you may sunburn this, or you may kill them or whatever. So don't drown them all the time. I always say to you guys, in the winter here in Australia or wherever you are, if cold weather, just give them only once a week. But then you have to work in your environment, because sometimes maybe in your area you give them at least twice in a fortnight, or every 14 days. You probably only give them once a week, once in every 14 days, or every 2 weeks. So here in my area, every time winter here, we always give them once a week only, because I've noticed 6 days already, this one will be kind of dryish, although it doesn't like really bone dry. You give them still dry, so give them nice and absorb the whatever water and nutrients you give them, so you don't give them a lot of water, because you'll drain the roots. In the summer, it's okay, as long as you're noticing them they are a bit dry, so it's a time for you to give them a good drink. Alright guys, I thought I'm just gonna share this to you, the beautiful looking orchids, and she is noid as well. If you want to suggest any name, guys, feel free and we pick up one. Thank you so much for watching again. This orchid lover in Australia. I hope you have all your collection is thriving really well, or if you are the beginner out there, click some of my few of my videos there in the playlist, and got a lot of really good tips that I give you if you are the beginner. Although I wasn't a beginner now, I was in the beginner like you guys. If you're just starting, then you know exactly, you will have to know the basic of this Phalaenopsis or butterfly orchid, or even moth orchid. Thank you guys. Look at this on the back. Come back and feel free to suggest any name for her, because she is really annoyed or no ID. Thank you so much again for watching, guys. Really appreciate all of you guys. I can't see it one by one, but really appreciate all of you guys. And leave the comment down below. Don't worry if we can come back really straight away. We really make sure we come back to you and accommodate you guys as long as we can, and we'll come back to you. do the right thing, and we will do the same for your channel as well. Thank you. Have a good day, orchid lover again in Australia. Happy gardening. Bye for now, and see you very, very, very soon. Oh, hang on about the spot. There you go. It's a beautiful detailed pot here, and I really, really like the color again. It's one of my favorite color too. Not only the blue, pink, light blue, whatever, green. This is very, very special color. Very nice. And I like how the detail of this. Funny though, because when we bought this one in the beginning, I was going to ask the owner what's happened with the saucer on this, in the bottom, because she got really nice hole here. This one here, she got nice hole in the bottom. Then there is no saucer in this, and we asked them last time if they really sealed the saucer separately or not, but they said they comes together with the seed. So there you go. So I have to ask them next time. They said bring it here and replace it with the scissor in the new pot. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put the link down below, guys, or the details where we put really our suppliers. This really good people. The name was Geoff and Judy. They're really good couple. So kind and a lot of knowledgeable. Very knowledgeable people. You guys, my Australian friends, if you want to know, I will put the description in my description down below, where we're gonna get this nice pot in our beautiful, really healthy orchids from our supplier. They're very kind to know and let you know what's happened, and they even suggested you what kind of nutrients to give for the orchid. Awesome people. That's why I also give them with my rainwater. I'm really collecting a lot of rainwater for my orchids. There you go, guys. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to visit the Tajenka orchid nursery. I'll just put the description down below. You all my Australian people, you can just ring them or whatsoever. They are in the Facebook fan page as well. Thank you guys again. Have a good day. Happy gardening. See you next time. Take care. Bye for now. See you soon. Bye. See ya.